Yeah. So.
If you don't have fish on it, so. But anyway, it's a fish that they need to go with the meat. Come up, bro.
Almost halfway there. Alright.
Spread some of that stuff on your arm, that's way good, Uncle. My arms feel like they're on fire, but it's not itchy.
Oh, it's going to be a pretty busy day today. Old Tara gone. I'm on the bike. And I'm husking. Made Joe's loo. Got some Tara ready for the oven, baked. And the plan is we hopefully go to Heel. Mum doing the washing, John watering the trees. Yeah, here we are. Still our work. Piggies. Yeah. Nice, clean. Right. Here's Joe. Almost finished his one. Now Uncle just started another one. Yeah. Doggos, job done. Nice and clean. That is cornflake. Oh no, that's Bluey. That's Bluey and that's our little piglets. Hello. Here's Uncle's hard work. This was probably the hardest one. And you got the four little guys. Yeah. Alright, Joe has led us to I don't know where. Oh man, it's another wolf for her. Very nice. It's very nice. Alright, so we look. Good job, Joe. Ah, it's not as rough as Tonga's one. Sheesh. Check it out. Now see you down there. What is this? This is like La Kepa
teacher. One of them.
Our great grandparents. Home village teacher. It's a fire.
Simala dua, dah.
Yeah.
Simala the bahu is different. Dry and bahu.
Moon is cloudy. Marshmallow time.
Yeah, because I guess because they have to pay for the rental. I don't know. $13 an hour. And then that's slave labor.
Not Lucilo.
That's slave labor. Look, he's recording us.
Hold on. What do you do in these cases?
You hold it and I'll video you.
No, sorry.
Yeah,
I got
that's-
it. I got it. That's it. Yeah. Everyone's eating.
Nice burger. Better than some New Zealand one.
There's a master.
Yeah, can you move your cup to kitchen?
It is our last day here, and this is breakfast.
And then knife.
Oh, this is the nicest time.
Yeah, that's right. Hello. I'm going now. I don't know when I'll see you again. This is goodbye. Alright. Bye, doggers.